guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like it here and decide to stay, and if you're not, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a microwaved chicken recipe. It is very simple and fast to make. That is actually the most important thing today because I am starving. So I am just putting in all the dry ingredients. That was a bit of salt, I did not measure anything, black pepper, so basically any seasonings you like, okay? Actually I'm missing a few that I would ordinarily use. This is white pepper, a little bit. I usually would put in some thyme. I do not have any, but it's fine, it would be nice. Ground ginger, I actually discovered this recipe by accident. I had marinated some chicken in the freezer, and I asked my Midi's nanny to make it for her. I told her to put in the oven, and she put it in the microwave. And I came home and she had just started eating it, but I panicked. I was like, how could you have, I said the oven, not the microwave. But then I opened it up and it looked fine. Like it wasn't bloody. It had cooked pretty well. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm going to try this. This is some chicken I got from ShopRite today. So these are chicken wings. I love wings actually. I know most people like the drumsticks or the thighs, but I love the wings because I actually enjoy like tackling every corner of it. Anyway, I'm not making too many. They're actually really tiny. I would usually make like 2, but I think I'm going to make 3 today. I'm going to put that in. 1, 2, 3, and then I'll put the rest away. I'm going to mix this dry. It's very important for your chicken to be at room temperature. I mean, it's not very important. It's better if it is. I should have mixed all the dry ingredients together first, but it doesn't matter. The reason why is because if it's frozen or still cold, it would like release a lot more juices in the microwave, and you don't want that. Like, I mean, that's fine also, to be honest. It would still cook normally, but you want it to be nice and crispy, or like a barbecue sauce to actually stick on it, which is what I'm doing. Yeah, so I am putting it in like this first. So this is all I am doing. If you have time, maybe you can do this beforehand and put it in the fridge for a while just so that it soaks up all the flavors, but this is fine. This is absolutely fine, and this is how it looks. We're gonna put this on a saucer, a regular saucer, obviously something that's safe to go in the microwave. Okay, so in my saucer I'm going to put them facing upwards. I want to turn it around, and then so that I can get the top nice and crispy, depending on, or like, caramelized. Yes, that's the word, caramelized. So I'm putting them face up, and then I'll turn it down after a few minutes. So there, on a saucer. I'm going to put it in right now. For 5 minutes. This is it after the first 5 minutes. It cooked pretty well, but obviously you need a bit more. Another reason why I do this first, because the wings are facing up and they will dry out if they stay up too long. So I turn it around so that I can like hide the wings under. I'll show you right now. All right, so I'm going to brush the marinade over this and then turn it around. Yeah. Just 3 ingredients. I'm putting in some ketchup, actually 4 because I didn't put any pepper. So this depends on how saucy you want it. I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to put some ketchup. That's enough. Honey. Yep. And some dark soy sauce. I'm sure you can use light as well. I just have dark, so that's what I'm putting in. Not so much. That's enough. So I'm going to mix it with this brush, but really you can use a spoon or anything you have. But I like this because I can like spread it on the chicken easily. Alright, so quick mix. Bring this center stage. And then I'm going to brush it. And get into all the corners. Honestly, I used to put it directly on, and I think this is the first time in a long time that I've actually used like room temperature chicken, and I think it makes all the difference. So why I started brushing it after I cooked it the first time is because every time I did it first, it would become a puddly mess of barbecue water and not like a thick sauce. So I decided to like cook it first, and then like you can see some juice has come out. But if it was like cold or like just coming down from frozen, it would be like really wet. But yeah, I think you can try this, like putting this sauce directly on it like before when it's raw. So you could try that, and I think it might also come out okay, as long as it's room temperature. So I'm turning this around, and the last one, turning it around. Yeah, okay. And I am, yeah, that's it. So put the last of it on. Okay, like that. Just make sure it gets into every corner, onto every last bit of it. So this is where you can like smother the rest of it on. Move them apart so you can actually get to everything. And then I'm putting it back for about 3 minutes or so. That should be fine. So really, overall, you need like 10 minutes. Really, yeah, about 10 minutes. That's it. Okay. Alright, so I don't like waste, so try to make sure I get all the sauce off. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'm going to put this back in the microwave, and after 3 minutes or so, it should be ready. So I would put it in a bit longer because I like, this is still like a sauce, and I want it to caramelize a little bit more. So to protect the wings, because I like these parts and I don't want them to burn, so I'm going to cover them with the other chicken, if that makes any sense. I'm going to put this on top of this one, like that. just a little bit, like hide it on like that, you see, and then this one like that. Yeah, do you guys like that? Just like that. Okay. Protecting the tips. Yeah, 1 minute. So I'm going to pick one up now. It's hot, hot, hot. Ooh, it's hot. Damn. Guys, it's too hot for me to hold in my hand. Which is why you're supposed to do rings, but I want to show you, like right now. I'm going to cut it. Just to show you it's ready. See? Cooked all the way through. So there you go. Cooked all the way through to the bone and delicious. I'm not focusing. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Yeah, delicious. So that's it, guys. This is my 10-minute chicken recipe and I've done it so many times. It's a lifesaver. I'm going to eat my dinner right now because I am starving. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try it out. If you do, please come back and let me know how it went. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps my channel. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.